Hello, welcome to the channel. So what we're going to be going over today is this DOVOH professional 4-plane laser level. This one's the K4-360G. Comes with plenty of accessories and a lot of features. It comes with a 5-year laser accuracy level and a 2-year warranty on the product itself. So let's go ahead and go over accessories and features. Don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of the links below to help out the channel trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. All right, so let's see what comes in the box. Like I mentioned before, this is a 4-plane laser level K4-360G. It's the model. Comes in this nice case. All right, so let's see what comes in this nice little box. It is well padded, thick foam, very nice. So this is the actual laser level. Comes with 2 batteries. They are 7.4 volts, 2600 milliamps each. Does come with the charger. Comes with the manual. This is your laser receiver for longer range. This is a little manual lift. Goes up 3¼ inches or so. Very, very nice. So if you want to set it on top of a table or perhaps some kind of ladder, if you don't have anything to put it on, it's actually, you could mount it on a tripod. You have your 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. This is your remote control for your horizontal and vertical lines. Comes with the little charger, your charging cable, USB-C, and this is your bracket. So you have different options on this one here. This is your 1/4 inch thread, so you're going to mount your level to this bracket here. Obviously it's adjustable height wise. You have these options here, adjustable screws for different types of clamping. All right. This is your magnets, very strong magnets right here. So if you mount it on any metal, then you could adjust it to whichever height you desire. So nice little, bracket right there. So this is a 4-plane laser level. It is considered a professional one. You do have dual vertical and you have dual horizontal lines. So for your battery, you're gonna unclip right here. You're going to insert the battery with the leads towards the inside, lock it up. Another option that you have is if you run out of batteries, you have your USB port that you could connect it right there. Very, very nice option. Okay. So in order to turn it off, you have to lock the laser. That way you don't want the pendulum to be moving around while you're transferring your tool. All right, so this is going to be your lock and on button. It does lock your pendulum. You don't want to store it inside the box unlocked because you could damage the actual level itself. This one has the 5-year warranty, laser accuracy, and 2-year warranty on the product itself. So in order for you to turn it on, you have to unlock it first. You have the beeping, which is basically telling you it's out of range if you're going to do the level. So you must put it on a level surface or close to level. You have about 4 seconds for the laser to acquire its optimal level. And like I say, if you go ahead and tilt it more than its potential, it'll start beeping. So, all right, let's just say you want to use it in an actual angle, and you're going to leave it locked, and you're going to go ahead and turn it on. And it is basically locked. So right there it's not leveled. So you could basically pick which level you want, So let's say you're actually doing a certain angle, and that option is how you're going to be able to do it. On the laser, you have different options. You have a high, and then you have a low. You have your horizontal and your vertical lines right there. So right now it's in the lock position, so it's not actually leveled. So as you can see here, see the actual laser gets a little dimmer, and there it gets a little bit brighter. So All right, so as far as your horizontal, you have a dual horizontal lines, and your vertical, you have dual vertical lines. So you could choose one, the other, or both. Same as horizontal, you can do none, bottom, top, or both. And you can turn off also the vertical. If you're far away from the unit with the remote control, you could control your on, off, and dual lines as far as very, very nice. Okay. So right there, you could actually find the angle that you need if you're doing any other type of work. And you could use that with the bracket also, depending on your condition. If you mount it on a tripod, you will probably have to get a level and figure out which level you want. And once you figure out the level you want, there you go. All right, so to unlock it, okay, now it's unlocked, and you can see that it's going to be moving around, and it will probably take about 4 seconds for it to level out. So you could use this for your home use, professional use. If you're going to put, moldings, if you're going to do any, what I wanted to do in the garage, I want to, put an actual stripe just like that, perhaps the same exact size right there. When we do the light gray on the top, I'm going to do the red in the middle and the darker gray on the bottom. So, something like this is actually perfect for what I am going to be using it for. Another thing that you could use it for, if you want to install recessed lighting and you want them to be straight. Before I had this tool, I did the recessed lighting. It was a nightmare trying to get them to align. So with this tool, it will be an actual perfect thing to use it. So you have 26 hours of work time with, 4 laser lines. You have 16 hours with 8 laser lines. You have 8 hours with 12 laser lines. You have 6 hours with 16 laser lines. Charging time on each battery is about 6 hours. With the laser receiver, you have a further away range that you could work with, 40 to 60 meters or 130 to 197 feet with this laser receiver. It does have a little magnet on the top, and it has like a little clip right here that you could use. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it on the actual tripod, see how it works. And don't forget to lock it before you move the actual laser level. Make sure it's nicely secured, and you wanna bring it to the best level you possibly have. So let's say you are in the field, you're gonna go ahead and unlock it. You're gonna find your range once you set it up. Remember, you have your remote control. If you're further away and you want to check your lines, turn on the horizontal, upper, both, and your, both of your vertical lines. All right. So you can see both are on. And you can see them on the other side of the room, and this room is pretty bright. All right, so in my case, when I was installing my lights, I didn't have this tool. I didn't do so bad because I actually used a string, but it was a pain in the butt. With this, it would have been so much easier to have, the center of the lights or the edges, or, perhaps the center. Right now I'm just using the edges. It's probably a little hard to see. Let me see if I can turn off the light. I can see a little bit better, but as you can see, you have one right there. Oh, this looks awesome. All right, so if you look at the lights, it's almost on the edge there. It looks pretty good. See, that one's actually almost touching the light, so it's just a little off. This one's actually touching the light and touching the light. So I didn't do so bad without using an actual laser level, but very, very nice tool. Pretty bright. All right, guys, so if you have any comments or any questions, put them down below. If you already own one and you want to share some of your information with the community, it'll be great. If you want to buy one of these, check out the links below. They do help out the channel. We're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. All right, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.